again, Dee, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a tutorial, and this time it's going to be for photo editing. This particular video is made for those who don't have an access to a laptop or those who prefer to use their mobile phones than their laptops or desktop apps. And maybe for those who find it a hassle to transfer their files from their phone to their laptops and then back to their phones, because honestly, it gets pretty tedious sometimes. But before anything else, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, don't forget to click the red button down below and the notification bell as well, so you'll get notified whenever I have new videos such as this. And let's move on to the tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I edit my photos using my mobile phone. I'll be sharing how I was able to make these edits just by using free mobile editing apps. You'll only be needing three apps: PicsArt, Snapseed, and Lens Distortions. You can download these apps from App Store or Google Play Store. Open the PicsArt app and then import the picture that you want to edit. From this photo, I wanted to delete the person behind me. So in this case, I will be using the clone tool, and I will be adjusting the clone tool before deleting the person behind me. As you can see, I can change or adjust the size of the clone tool, the hardness, and the opacity. What I like about PicsArt is it is somewhat similar to Photoshop. Now let's move on to Snapseed. You can see that I have expanded the photo using the Snapseed app, and at the same time, I also deleted the person behind me. So I'll be showing you those two things. So first, I will be deleting the person behind me by using the healing tool. And as you can see, the healing tool in Snapseed is easier because the photo itself is not that complicated. It's easier to delete an unnecessary object because of the type of photo that I have. It has more negative space. After I deleted the unnecessary object or person, I then expanded the photo and adjusted it based on my preference. And then after exporting the file, I moved to Lens Distortions and added some lighting effects just to add some drama and character to my photo. You can add lens flares and light leaks using Lens Distortions. As long as you're happy with the result, then you can export the file and then you're good to go. So I hope you got a thing or two from this video. If you want me to do more tutorials such as this, then let me know by leaving a comment down below. And if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, share if that's something that you like, and if you're still not part of the community, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell beside it so you get notified whenever there's a new video up on this channel. And I hope to see you on the next one. Keep exploring! Bye!